Hey guys, a very short update on the price of Bitcoin. So what we have here is that the drop below $100,000 actually showed a nice pullback after that, and now the price is about 103,000. And indeed, this yellow zone, which worked as served as support, held nicely, and the pullback was pretty strong. Well, actually, and again, because we have the same price action on S&P 500, so this is the futures for S&P, and you see that they also have a nice pullback. Also reached the level which I mentioned probably before, but I don't think that this is kind of strong enough and convincing enough to say that the drop is over. So it's actually it looks more like we have the broad price action, sideways price action, and we may go to the lower edge, we can go to the upper edge, higher edge of that region, and it's not clear. It's not clear now, but although the news are kind of settled down, so short term probably will get a little higher. However, there is still risk that we go below this low and even lower than 5,900, right? So in that case, Bitcoin will follow apparently. Although the correlation is not the same all the time, there are different like weight coefficients, and therefore even with so let's imagine that S&P will goes higher, and then Bitcoin goes higher, something like that, and then S&P continues to correct. Then Bitcoin may correct to 100 and then follow the new rise of S&P as well. So this correction won't be that strong, because again the pullback was really far, so therefore we don't make a new low. But again, it depends on many factors. In my personal opinion, that wasn't good enough. We're also in the same range right away, the same as S&P 500, and even though we might not break the lower area, this $92,000, still we may at least test 95, 96. But in my opinion, in my personal opinion, still there is nice momentum right now, and there is a strong chance that we'll test 105,000, and that would be the region from where the price dropped. So locally, again, short term, I think we were more bullish, maybe have some little correction, but continue to go higher, and that would be a perfect setup for the growth even more. So we'll see about that, we'll see. But technically, I think that it's basically the play of the liquidity, and within this range, there's still plenty of it. One more important point is that, as you can see, we had the tests for this region like 99.5, $100,000 several times, and it was support before, resistance before, now support. So we dropped below that level just a little bit, and this was kind of false breakout, but still we collected some volume there. And the same thing happened here. So after the false breakout below 92,000, we had nice rally. So those false breakouts could be kind of a trend, and that may be the same thing that we saw before. So if so, then we are good to go higher from here, and that would be the new impulse to the upside, to the new all-time high. But again, it's not clear. It depends a lot on S&P 500, and if you look at the dominance, it's still 59. Higher than 59%, was 59.5. So it's still uncertain, guys, but in any case, short term there is a hope. Okay, that is it for today. I think I will make a new update tomorrow as usual, and leave a like, leave a comment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.